To the flowers of Heidelberg, go to my country, go, O foreign flowers, sown by the traveler along the road, and under the blue heaven that watches over my loved ones. Recount the devotion the pilgrim nurses for his native sad.
Go and say that when dawn opened your chalices for the first time, beside the icy Neckar, you saw him silent beside you, thinking of her constant vernal climb.
Say that Linda, which steals your aroma, was whispering playful love songs to your young sweet petals. He, too, murmured canticles of love in his native tongue.
That in the morning, when the sun first traces the topmost peak of Hohenschildal in gold, and with a mild warmth races to life again the valley, the glade, the forest, he hails that sun, still in its dawning, that in his country in full zenith blazes.
Tell of that day, when he collected you along the way, among the ruins of a feudal castle, on the banks of the Neckar, or in a forest nook. Recount the words he said, as with great care, between the pages of a worn-out book, he pressed the flexible petals that he took.
Carry, carry, O flowers, my love to my loved ones, peace to my country and its fecund dome, faith to its men and virtue to its women, health to the gracious being that dwell within the sacred paternal home.
When you reach that shore, deposit the kiss I gave you on the wings of the wind above, that with the wind it may roam, and I may kiss all that I worship, honor and love. But oh, you are there, flowers, and you will keep perhaps your vivid hues, but far from your native heroic earth, to which you owe your life and worth, your fragrances you will lose.
For fragrance is a spirit that never can forsake, and never forgets the sky that saw its birth.
I am Midshipman Lance Christian Ambrosio, and this is my reflection to Rizal's novel. Through the imaginary of a Rizal, Rizal expresses his longing for his country and his hope for its liberation from colonial rule. This novel taught me we should love our country and we should appreciate all the beauty that the Philippines has possesses.
Good day everyone, I am Midshipman Faris Macurania. As for my reflection, after performing the poet of To the Flowers of Heidelberg by Serza, it reflects me a lot, like we should not be selfish and we should plan as a whole for the betterment for our country. We must possess gratitude to our fellow families, friends, and most especially to those who fight for our country. And lastly, we should give love to our country and to one another.
I'm Midshipman Garcia Jan David, and this is my reflection to the poem. This poem carries a sense of hope. Rizal wishes that the flowers could convey his love and hopes for a better future for the Philippines. This reflects the ideas that even in difficult times, one can find hope and inspiration in nature and beauty. Okay, the lesson of this poem are to possess gratitude for your home, country, and love for all of your friends and families.
Good day everyone, I am Midshipman Jan Roman Matandak, and this is my reflection video about the poem. The poem stirs our emotion and wants to tell us the importance of remembering where we came from, especially our nation or our country. It involves many feelings or emotions, cultural details, and vivid images that will amaze the readers. Upon doing the video, it made me realize as a Filipino that I should be proud of my country because Philippines is rich in history, culture, and nature. And you should also be proud to call yourself a Filipino.
I'm Midshipman Michael Sumoka, and this is my thoughts about this poem. This poem expresses Rizal's nostalgia for his homeland and reminds him of the Philippines. He used the title "To the Flowers of Heidelberg" represent love and concern for the country. When filming this, I feel and realized that we need to appreciate the nature, appreciate the beautiful scenery of the surroundings. I feel like I'm connected to the nature again.
This is Midshipman ANL Tupas, and this is my reflection making this video. I would say that I learned something about what Rizal meant in the poem. He uses flowers to symbolize his feelings toward his native land. He expresses love, peace, and patriotic devotion to the Philippines. As a future seafarer, I feel a sense of sympathy for Rizal longing for his own homeland. I can't deny that one day I will experience similar feelings of homesickness, longing for my own homeland and my family while at sea. And that is my reflection.